Hi friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. In our previous video, we worked on blends with the sound of L. We talked about B, L, bl, K, L, kl, F, L, fl, and G, L, gl. This is the second video where we're gonna talk about the blends of R. So all these words will have R sound at the end. B, R, K, R, F, R, D, R. We need to learn how to work with blends, because if we can work with blends, reading becomes super easy. So today we will learn how to join the sounds of these blends. Are you ready? Let's get started. B, R, B, R, bra, 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 ba, ra, bra, bra, ah. You makes the sound of ah, bra, sh, brush. Look at his fancy blue brush. Brush. Bra, ai is a, bra, a, bra, brain. Bra, a, break, break. Please don't break my car. Be careful. Break. Bra, e, a again, bread, bread. Brush, brain, break, bread. So BR, when it comes together, it makes the sound of bra. Ba, ra, bra. Very good job, guys. So just like BR making the sound of bra, similarly CR, ka, ra, kra. BR was bra and CR is kra. Kra, b, crab. Kra, crack, crack. Kra, o, crow. Kra, craft, craft, craft. Crab, crack, crow, craft. So BR is bra and CR is kra. Just like BR and CR, the next one is FR. F, R, fra. F, R, fra. Fra, o, frog, frog. Fra, o, front, front. Here the O is not making the sound of O. Fra, front. Fra, e, free. When two E's they come together, it makes the sound of E, free. Fra, fresh, fresh, fresh. Frog, front, free, fresh. So BR is bra, CR is kra, and FR is fra. The last one for today is DR. D makes the sound of D and R makes the sound of R. Dra. Dra, drum. Dra, drip, drip. Dra, dray, drain. Dra, dress, dress. Drum, drip, drain, dress. Da, ra, dra. So ba, ra, bra, ka, ra, kra, fa, ra, fra, and da, ra is dra. Very good job, guys. So now we have talked about all these 4 blends where R is joining with another letter. Let's read some sentences. Look at her black dress. In the previous video, we talked about L blend, B, L, blah. And in this video, we talked about the R blend, that is D, R, dr. Let's cross the road with Tom. Let's cross the road with Tom. I need a new craft work. I need a new craft work. Look at her pink brush. Look at her new pink brush. Look at her pink brush. I see the blank drum. Once again, the L blend blah and the R blend dra. I am free to meet you. I am free to meet you. Give me a break. Give me a break. I hope you understood all these 4 blends. I hope you liked my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I post a new video.